Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley. You've inherited a small, overgrown farm plot from your grandfather, ready for a fresh start. Your first steps involve clearing debris, planting your initial parsnip seeds, and getting to know the friendly residents of Pelican Town. This charming pixel art world offers endless possibilities, from cultivating vast fields to delving into mysterious caves. Get ready to embrace a fulfilling new life in the countryside. Farming is your primary source of income and sustenance. Choose from a wide variety of seasonal crops, ensuring you water them every day for optimal growth. Beyond crops, you can raise animals, collecting products like milk and eggs. Venture into the mines to gather essential resources such as copper and iron, or spend your afternoons fishing for over 60 different types of fish. Balancing these activities is key to a thriving farm. Pelican Town is home to a vibrant community of over 30 distinct characters, each with their own stories. Build friendships by chatting daily and giving thoughtful gifts. Some relationships can even lead to marriage. Engage in lively seasonal festivals, from the Egg Festival to the Stardew Valley Fair. Beyond town, explore the multi-level mines, facing various monsters, or uncover secret locations that offer unique resources and challenges. As you play, you'll continuously progress by upgrading your tools, from a basic axe to an iridium pickaxe, and expanding your farm buildings. A major long-term goal is to complete the community center bundles, which revitalizes the town and unlocks new areas. You'll also develop your 5 core skills: farming, mining, foraging, fishing, and combat. Ultimately, Stardew Valley is about creating your ideal farm life and achieving personal satisfaction.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.